basic question. What if people who don't have meaningful employment because of mental health or addiction had the support they need to help themselves? We're RISE, the only national charity of its kind, helping people with ideas overcome barriers to self-employment and small business growth. Our clients provide the ideas. We provide 3 key supports to help get things off the ground. Startup capital is essential, but traditional lenders are not always an option. Guidance from successful business people help navigate the way. Running any successful business is hard. With the right tools, we help make it easier.
By helping people overcome their perceived barriers and achieve their goals, RISE is building stronger communities. I'm a real business owner with real employees, and I love what I'm doing.
RISE, empowering people, launching ideas.